everybody. It's Fafo Friday, motherfuckers. Yeah, Fafo OPEX Friday. It's gonna be interesting. Oh, guys, you know what's funny? Here, I'll show you. Look at this. Oh wait, I started to turn around my computer like that's my camera still. Can I even show you? I think I can. Maybe not. I'll take a picture of it and put it in the Discord. So where I was hanging my hat, long story short, I have this tripod that I'm using for the camera. I don't have another one. Like, I don't have two tripods. So I was like, fuck, I have this great studio light that I need to be using, but I don't have a way to put it up. And then I was like, looking at my hat sitting up there, and I'm like, huh, that's up there. Maybe I can get this up there. I was motherfucking right. Watch this. Check main chat. I fucking hung it. So you guys know where the hat usually sits, up there. I fucking, somehow this thing fits in there in the little hinge, and I fucking tighten that bitch down in there. She good to go. She good to go. I don't need no tripod. The fuck? So it's upside down hanging. Hey, that works, man. That fucking works. Well, it's Fafo Friday. Happy Fafo, everybody. Light, Mikey, Mitch, Imp. Let's... Oh. Gold just got smacked. So... Where's my... I still have that filter on. All right, well, I posted the setup I'm looking at on gold in the Discord. But long story short, I mean, she's kind of setting up. The problem is Wednesday's low, which was yesterday, would have been the previous day low, right? We keep getting smacked off that, so until we really get over that, it's not great. Long story short, though, over previous day high, I want to see Tuesday's low. And if we can get over Tuesday's low, I don't see why we don't go see Monday's low. I haven't even looked at Qs, to be honest. Let's just go here. Morning, Dynamite. God, Qs came in. Oh, we broke the 935. We broke 935. So that means it has to go 860. We broke that. Now we're coming into these previous highs. Yup, broke the 861 too, yup. Well, now Amp, it's, I mean, into this high. We know that. We could hold there, but if not, might be nasty. I don't anticipate we see this gap fill here, but I mean, if we break these fucking highs, why not? 788 it bounced. 794 so far. Yes, I did get the green screen yesterday. I'm not using it for the normal stream at the moment because, to be honest, I kind of like the look of this for the normal stream. But it works well. It works great. I set it all up, tried it out. Works solid. To be honest, though, to run the green screen like on an all-day stream would be tough because it's like I can't move too much. If that makes sense. So I'll probably just be using it for the other show because the other show is like 2 hours, an hour long. It's not like... So, either way. And it's not like every single day, so be fine to do it with that. What other show? You'll see. You will see. That's why I'm getting all this equipment. And that's why I haven't paid for any of it. Shouts out, man. Shouts out. It's great to know great people. Coming soon, light. Coming soon. I would just everybody prepare themselves that Fridays are likely gonna be on this other show. So, oh, I can't wait. I want to say more, but it's not time yet. I'm sorry. Fafo Fridays can be weekend killers. Yes, they can. Got to be careful. Crude oil. What are you doing, brother? Nice balance. Two. We need a 1. Or a directional upside 2. Same with gold. We need a 1 today. I want this gold setup to go, but it might be an inside day, to be honest. Which means we trade within range of yesterday. I won't be surprised if it's a range day. If we get over previous day high, great. I'm long on the back test. I'm long. Great. Awesome. But if we reject, stay in this range, it's an inside day. And not much is gonna happen, but it looks like by the size of these wicks, there's some decently big orders going off. So hopefully we get the move. Whoa. Going to be interesting. Everybody should share out the stream and like it up for your boy. Let's get as many people in here as possible. I was like on TikTok last night and I was scrolling and I saw this like crypto guy and he's like watching XRP or whatever. And he had this website and it's like where you can literally see all the live transactions like on a globe of like XRP transactions. It's actually crazy looking. I have no idea if this is even fucking real, to be honest, but it looks cool. Like, to think that this is crypto just being sent around the world constantly is pretty cool. Like, it's fucking, that's crazy. I have no idea if it's actually real. This could just be some fake-ass website that's spitting out a bunch of bullshit, but it's kind of cool to see. I need another cup of coffee. That's for sure. All right, Wednesday's low is the spot to get above the first spot. If you've been long, like, you know, overnight, that's been the target. Because really, there's no long trigger until we're over previous day high. So we need a long trigger. We need the back test, and then it's game time. Get into Tuesday's low. Get over Tuesday's low. We hit Monday's low. Get over Monday's low? Get over Monday's low. It's fucking... we got a bunch of piled up orders, like, levels here in 2630. Where's CR? Is CR sleeping in this morning? What happened? Oh, we did have retail sales come out, by the way, guys. Forecast was 0.3, actual was 0.4, previous was 0.4. Slightly higher there. We have Baba earnings this morning. They're having their earnings call right now. They had a miss on EPS, a beat on revenue. Solid. Solid. Tesla over previous day low. If Tesla opens up and gets below this low of yesterday, it's a move to 300, in my opinion. I still think we're hitting 300. We, of course, can hold today's low and end up getting bought up, but I anticipate that we go and hit that 300 bucks. And then it's load the boat. Load the boat. Spaces in 20 minutes. Boom, boom. Oh my god. I am the king of deleting shit off of my watch list, I swear to god. I'm the king of it. Why'd I get so glitchy? What the fuck happened, brother? Dude. None of this encoding overload bullshit. God. You know, you'd think if you spent, like, over $4 grand on a computer, it fucking wouldn't overload the encoder. Well, I guess not. It's because of the music. Fuckers. Morning, Braden. It's good, baby. Time for a PC? Yeah. Right. I need Lordy. Oh, all right. Chilling. Are you comfortable with Windows? Yeah. Goldilocks. I know some people hate Windows. Yeah, I mean, I used to. But for PCs, I mean, that's the way to go. Oh. All right, Goldilocks. All eyes on you. Is it gonna be an inside day? That's the only thing that sucks, is it might be an inside day, especially with OPEX, and might just be choppy. Uh-oh, Spy. That's a nasty open. Jinkies. Damn. God damn. Good morning, Raleigh. Alright, camera's fully charged. I've used 8% so far. It's at 92%. So, is what it is. We're gonna use it till it dies. Try our best. Oh, look, you can see me. You can see me doing my stream. You can see me doing my stream, and you can see me looking at myself doing the stream. Inception. What's on the watch list today? Gold. Pretty much. Tesla. Keeping eyes on Tesla for triggers for long trades on the options, but probably not today. I'm waiting for the back test at 300. I put the gold setup in Discord. Over previous day high, we're looking for Tuesday's low. Over Tuesday's low, we're looking for Monday low. Level by level. mean, as of now, unless Tesla holds today's low, I have no reason we shouldn't see 300. As of now. NSR, good morning. Doing great, brother. How are you? From Bali Airport, let's go, baby. Okay, so I did get the green screen yesterday. If people want me to run it, if you want to see what it looks like, I will. If not, we'll just keep it running how it is. But either way, at some point today, my camera's going to die, and we're going to have to switch to the MacBook camera anyway, so. You guys want to see it here? Give me a second here. I'll set it up. Hold on. All right, let's see now. Now we should be able to do this. Nope, wrong one. This one. Bing bong. And then we do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And we do a little bit of this. A little bit of that. A little bit of this. A little bit of that, baby. And that is the green screen. How do we like that look? The only thing that's kind of annoying is like if I move, you know what I mean? Or like if I move, you know? So trying to stay a little more still, I guess. But we can make that work. I think. Yeah, all right. Fuck out of here. All right. We gotta start spaces here in a minute. There's got to be a way. Well, generally, the way you run it, if you're running it the way I do, is either you have a whole backdrop completely behind you with tripod set up and a giant green screen, or you have what I have, which is, I mean, I have that screen too. I just don't have tripods to set that up. Because I could, like, ideally what I do is directly behind me instead of having like this on, because this is like a square attached to my chair. Instead of having this where it's attached to my chair, I set it up behind me, not on my chair, so I can move around and it doesn't do anything to the image, you know what I mean? Because that's the only thing. It's like, okay, running the green screen, cool. I'm like stuck in this position though. That's the only thing. Like, I can move a little bit, but I can't do too much. I gotta be a fucking statue. I do need coffee. So I'm gonna go grab that. And we got spaces starting. Alrighty. That CR must be sleeping, eh? Where's CR at? Honestly, the green screen would be a lot easier if I just moved the camera directly in front of me, but I hate the way that looks. I really don't like that. I like it off to the side. Directly in front is just so weird to me now. I don't like it. Yo, V, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Gold really just, for me right now, to be honest, it's giving me thoughts that we're just going to chop and be an inside day. I'm going to set alerts for my trigger into previous day high. But I mean, can I add alerts on this screen? Cannot. All right. I got alerts set, so if I'm not looking, I don't miss it. Where's the... Oh god, that is just not the mood. What's the difference between Top Step and Top Step X? Nothing, they're the same. It's just Top Step X is like the platform that you're gonna trade on, where you actually place the trades. Topstep.com is just like where you can look at your accounts. You can buy more accounts, like all of that. You know what I mean? But they're the same. They're both Topstep. Topstep X is just like the trading platform of it. Kind of like you guys know Thinkorswim. It's kind of like that. How like TOS is obviously from whatchamacallit, TD Ameritrade, even though they're not. I know they're not Ameritrade anymore. They're Schwab, but it's like it was TD Ameritrade, and then the trading platform was like TOS. Same type of thing. I trade funded on futures, DJ. I trade my own capital on options, but I'm fairly new to futures, so I just play funded. All right. Oh, shit, we gotta start spaces right now. Fuck. Closing my phone like I ain't got shit to do on here. It's Fafo Friday. Good morning, Spaces crew. It's gonna be a day. Wrap up the week strong. We got some stuff today, or did this morning. We had retail sales come out at 0.4. The forecast was 0.3. We also have Fed Goolsby speaking right now, or at least he was at 30 minutes ago. I think new one. Yeah, Collins is speaking now. We got industrial production in about 10 minutes. Collins speaking again at 7:30. That's 10:30 Eastern. Fed Williams and Goolsby speaking later in the day. So pretty much just Fed speakers, and then we had retail sales this morning that came out. And, I mean, not much higher, but slightly higher. I'm watching gold. I anticipate it could very easily be an inside day today, though, if we can't break previous day high or low. I'm looking for a break of previous day high and catch that into Tuesday low, Monday low. But if we can't get over previous day high, then I have no trigger, so. Waiting on that, but it might be a trade for next week, unfortunately, even though I want it today. So I have alerts set getting up to yesterday's high, so if we get there, I'm going to be ready. Didn't I add an alert here? VIX had a gap up, still under 15 though. Morning, Aaron. I'm good, baby. Fafo Friday, but you know, it's OPEX. Reminder, it is OPEX today, guys. So, I mean, obviously we do anticipate chop on these days, but obviously play it accordingly. I've had plenty of times where we show up to OPEX thinking it's going to be all choppy and we get some crazy moves. But generally it is choppy, so just be careful. Don't get caught in the middle. Gotta be careful. Short Octa. AMD and SPY for day on options. Heard that. Octa. NQ coming in pretty good overnight. I had a spot at 935. We broke that. So I had us coming into, what is that, Thursday's low from not yesterday, but the last week's Thursday. I was sitting at 860. We're breaking that as well. Next spot I really have is 789.75. Or else it's right back to those lows of basically 380 to 320 area. That's what I see. I anticipate bulls step in before that though. Tesla's interesting. We reclaimed big level. Or actually, sorry, no, I was looking at that chart wrong because I was looking at previous day low like it was yesterday's low, but obviously previous day low now is just going to be the low from yesterday, not the previous day. Thought for a second we were reclaiming that. But long story short, as long as Tesla's above yesterday's low, that 310.30, it's okay. But I think if you get under that, it's another trigger for the 300 psych level. We'll see. But it really needs to hold over that. I'll get the link for the live stream up top. If anybody wants to join, feel free. We'll be live trading throughout the day. That link is up top now. Give it a second to pop up there. No, I personally have an Azure, but I also haven't like requested one or anything. I haven't even passed an eval yet, personally. I'm still trading evals. We're green on all of them. We're doing well, but I'm just taking it slow. I have 3 different accounts right now. I'm looking to have 5. That's the goal. But I do know if you're worried about, I know you're like worried about prop firms being able to pay you money. I will say Top Step is the best. I haven't personally taken a payout, but I mean, my buddy, or one of our boys in the chat, CR, just got one. I mean, one of my main homies, Emperador, uses that every day, multiple accounts. Payouts are very, very easy on Top Step. So, I recommend it for sure. I really don't think you'll have any problems with Top Step. I always tell people this. It's like, I mean, if you're sitting back and you're worried about anybody, the least you should be worried about is Top Step. That's for sure. Like, so. Take profit is more flexible with payouts. Maybe. I just, I like Top Step. They've been the best for me. And, they also don't have a bunch of rules, but it also doesn't really matter what the fuck you trade on. Trade on whatever you are comfortable with. Microsoft not looking too hot. Apple going for lower lows. Nvidia down. Oil's trying to get a bounce off previous day low. Jeez. 503 on Qs. 503.90. Amazon 220 calls. Gotta hold this low from yesterday for me. Bless you. Yeah, I would ideally like to see it hold yesterday's low. Or else I see a 206 retest, but we'll see. Morning, Thomas. Tesla. So I was talking about Tesla. Long story short, we made that low from yesterday. The low sits at 310.37. If you open up and we break below that today, it's another trigger for the 300 trade. If we open up and hold that low all day, might be a little sketchy. But no matter what, even if we hold the low from today, as long as we're under the low from the previous day, you're all right, in my opinion. Where the entry was, right? Where the entry was with paper. Which was here. I believe. Like somewhere in this area. I forget exactly where. Was it here or was it there? I forget if it was in this spot or this spot. It's my bad. I don't remember. It was one of these highs. But yeah. Good morning, Garlic. It was one of those highs. But, you know, if we open up, rug it, you get back under the 310.30, I mean, you're good for 300 in my opinion. Yeah, new setup's dope. It's kind of hard to deal with because I can't really move. So I don't know how long I'm going to run it, but I just wanted to test it out and run it for a little bit at least. For the normal streams that I do every day, I'm probably not going to have the green screen every day, guys, to be honest. Probably just going to be using that for the other stuff I'm doing, but it's cool. I wanted to try it out for the day. Or for a little bit at least. That live stream link is up top for everybody, by the way. I got a green screen. I don't know if I'm going to use it every day. I think I'm just going to use it for a different thing that I'm doing, but it's kind of cool. Now I'm just a part of the chart.
I got a small long here on 801.50.
Heard that. Nvidia stuck in consolidation. Is that a 2-1-2 setup? No, that's... Wait. No. 2-2. This was the fucking 2-1 setup. 2-1-2. Netflix. Still ripping. damn.
Oh no! They're driving.
I'm making a meme coin. Uh-oh.
I'm getting shit on. I mean, everything's down. So.
Oh, let's wrap up the week strong. 15 minutes to open. I am watching Goldilocks for the setup that I want, and if not, we'll just scalp NQ and hopefully have a great day.
Baba had good earnings. Baba had okay earnings, but it is flat.
Yeah, missed on EPS, huh?
I think they missed on revenue
Gotcha.
by 400 million, but it's literally flat. It was up $5, and then now it's right back to where it started. Jordan,
It was a miss on revenue.
finally just got to my payout level on my funded.
Oh, let's go. Shout out to that.
Now I gotta build myself a little buffer.
Are you on Top Step?
No, I'm on another one right now.
Got you. That's solid. Good stuff, baby.
Got my stop set. Let's see.
Rot. Zeus the Rottweiler. I love this.
Hey.
Mr. B, good morning. Hey, hey. Fafo Friday.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Tesla's green. Paper's not gonna be happy.
Tesla under yesterday's low. Getting schmacked. But if it holds yesterday's low, she's alright.
Yeah, Tesla and coin seem to be the two potential green candidates. The army green soldiers.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Yo, yo, yo.
Oh man, I don't know if I'm going to trade because I am highly pissed off this morning, and I know I'm not going to trade well.
Uh-oh. What happened?
So, not just want me to be fuck any customer service representative over at WAP.com.
Oh, gosh. One of those mornings.
Oh yeah, they're literally retarded.
No, so not like right now. If you wanted to go create a new product to go put inside your WAP store, I guarantee you right now you would not be able to do it.
Like, you can't create a new product, and why is that?
Because their new platform is so fucking stupid. Every time they do an update, they screw up every single thing. Every single one of my products, they used AI first of all, and it changed the description and what all the products offered for whatever freaking AI they used, and it was saying that it was going to give people certain products and perks under certain subscriptions that are not even completely relevant. And then like right now, if you wanted to go edit your store or go add a new product, I guarantee you're not going to be able to go figure it out. You can't do it right now. It's so dumb.
The thing is, mine looks normal. I don't know if I got the update yet or something.
So are you logging in on the desktop?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's another thing. If you log onto the desktop, it's still the same old WAP platform where the screen is white and everything, right?
Okay, so what are you logging into?
If you log into WAP and you go to like your dashboard, right? And you go to your products.
Yeah, no, but not on the desktop, right?
Correct.
I'm a little confused. So what are you doing it on then?
So if you go to WAP.com and you type in, like, I'm gonna type in Bull Trade Finder right now.
So on your phone, you're doing that?
No, I'm on my MacBook right now.
Okay.
So right now, if I
They're having issues this morning, man. Fuck. Ugh. Come on, Goldilocks, give me the fucking trigger this morning. Come on! We want the trigger! Oh. Goldilocks. Whoa. Oh, Microsoft getting just schwapped here. Just schwapped it. Crude oil is actually trying to hold back down in this daily range. Tried meme coins 5 times, lost all my shitty money. Yeah. Yeah, the memes. Gotta love the memes. Anyone into MSTR? I've traded it here and there. Looking really good right now. It's just in consolidation. Which is healthy, right? It needs to rest. It's been running a lot. No surprise to me that it's trying to go a little sideways here. I think as long as you're holding previous day low, that 4-hour 21 EMA, it's good. Looks great. Under this 319, things are starting to look not so great. Boom, boom. All right. Mike Tyson coin is pumping, especially after he slapped Jake. It's all a show. What's that scene from Wolf of Wall Street? It's all fugazi, it's fairy dust, it ain't fucking real. Seven minutes till open.
and they can shop on.
Oh, let's have a beautiful day.
And now,
Oh yeah, yours looks different. Oh yeah.
so now scroll down, right? And you see where it says my offers and everything, or the screenshot I sent you.
Yeah, that's actually pretty good.
Then you scroll to the left, and then it shows all the other.
Have y'all tried gambling reports?
And then if you scroll all the way down to the very
What is that?
bottom of the screen,
Gambling
that's
reports?
scrolling through all the reviews.
Morning, Brenda. Took some profits on MSTR for now after buying around the low yesterday. Solid, yeah. Good shit, man. Good shit, baby.
Dude, it is absolutely, and all of that information on the entire page was completely wrong on every single product.
Now I tried out.
Oh my god, they're still talking about WAP? Jesus. Oh, you're talking about earnings reports. My bad. When you said gambling reports, I don't know why I didn't make that connection of earnings reports. Not really. I don't have much reason to. I mean, sometimes I hold plays through earnings, but I'm not gambling on them. I have lots of time on any earnings plays that I may be holding through earnings. So even if it gets a crazy move, I'm fine. I just don't see the point. Every here and there, I might throw a few $100 at a play for a lotto, but it's just like, I really don't have much reason to do that ever. That's just fun. You know what I mean? Honestly, like doing that shit is just fun. You can't expect to make money out of that ever. Not if you're trying to play like the overnight play. If you're taking earnings and you're going, you know, you're studying the earnings call and like after earnings you're making decisions, then that's different. But trying to play short dated options into earnings, it's just like everybody should expect to fail. Everybody should expect to lose their money. Because it's basically like going and playing fucking... It's basically like going and putting 10 G's on black. I mean, your odds are not much better. But of course, you know, if you have a play, like sometimes I do have a play and I'm like, hey, I'm totally willing to risk a few $100 to potentially turn it into a few thousand overnight. I know I can make a few $100 back easy. I'm not worried about that. So, you know, when those opportunities do arise, yeah, I'll dip in a little bit. But I'm always putting size on that, like, hey, if I wake up and this is down 99%, I don't give a fuck, you know? And if you set yourself up like that, it's like, okay, cool. Because here's the thing on an earnings play. It's like, dude, I could risk $600. If I wake up and I'm down fucking $600, I don't care. But if I wake up and I turn that 600 into fucking few thousand, I mean, that's worth it, right? I'll do that.
I actually tried a short, and I lost. I gave it like a 6-point stop, and then I'm actually looking at really short. A long. I'm looking to long around like 39.40 maybe.
Earnings plays will be next week, potentially. I will say, if you're someone that likes to play earnings, but you don't want to take all the options risk, you want to be able to manage your position in after hours and pre-market, be able to trade it. Instead of trading something like NVIDIA options, trade shares on NVDL. 2 times leveraged shares. This is what I do. If I truly want to trade an earnings play, I trade 2 times leveraged shares and I can trade it in after hours. Options, you can't do shit after hours. You're fucked. If you're sitting in a position and you're getting wrecked, you can't do a thing about it, right? Whereas, like, if I'm on shares, I can just get out of the position, manage my risk accordingly like I would on any other trade, right? So I generally like to do that, especially if I know I'm like, okay, I know I want to put more in this than a few $100 to risk, you know? So I have alerts set for gold if we get up into previous day high. Other than that, we'll look at M and Q. Guys, where's CR?
Yeah, if CBC can hook long down here, I'm in for ES. Maybe they hold a higher low. We can see that gap fill.
Oh, damn, Amazon just
ideally
gave it all back.
Yeah, Amazon shit the sheets.
206 is the next big spot there. The 1 and 4 hour for Amazon. I don't see why it doesn't go there.
Shit the sheets. Hey, yo. We don't want that.
Anyway,
Yeah.
it ruins my whole night.
Hedge pressures.
What gap are you looking at? Yesterday's close or?
previous day low.
Oh, this is
Close to
fucking...
yesterday's close. We got
I'm smoked.
2.65. They have to flip the CBC long.
I was about to get hedge pressure. Market's not even open yet. Huh.
It's 8 being in a position going into the opening here.
Oh, for sure. Me too. I mean, selling off would be open. Not the best short setup. We already broke lower low.
I'm long from down here.
Oh, yeah. Always, Thomas. I did not talk about that, but always. Always. Like, guys, if I'm taking an earnings play, if I'm on call sides, I'm taking, you know, 2 contracts calls, 1 contract put. Always. Always hedge the earnings. It's like, why not? Why wouldn't you? The only reason you wouldn't want to do that is if there's a very high chance of an IV crush. And in that case, you shouldn't be trading earnings at all. You should be actually selling options on earnings in that case. Morning, JT. Yeah, no, I agree, Thomas. I'll always buy both sides. It's just like whichever side I actually believe in, I'm going to go a little heavier on that side and then... No longs on MNQ until CBC flips bullish.
Maple, I love hearing you get yourself hyped up.
Hey, you gotta make that money, bro.
Oh, look at AMD. Went down to 136.
The video's getting smoked.
By the way, everyone, I know anyone interrupt me. If any of you guys want to see any of these traders like trading on the screen, I know Jordan is live on YouTube. I know Maple is live on Twitch. Garlic, I know, was going live for a while. Emp was, and if any of you guys are missing me, please shout out there. But pretty much everyone up here is letting you listen to the spaces and watch their screen too. There's different ways, so check those out.
Love you, Evan. Thank you, brother.
Love you, Evan.
Yo, love you, Evan.
I'm getting that spy head picture posted.
Twitch is owned by Amazon, so if you have an Amazon Prime account, you can link it and then subscribe to Maple and give him $3 a month for free.
Facts.
YouTube doesn't quite have that, but shout out Amazon, Twitch Prime too.
2-minute EMA rejection and Q still holding. $60 per contract gain. Meta puts, I sold half.
It's hedge pressure cards up top.
ENP $70 call.
Oh, ho, ho.
What's up, Mikey?
It's that time.
Yo, what's up, Mike?
Mikey's here, and he's ready to fuck.
I got 75. So close.
We don't start dialing the phones at 9:30 because our clients are already answering the phone. 3, 2, 1, let's fuck.
Yeah,
It's my favorite scene. It's my favorite scene right there. The start of the opening bell. That is my favorite scene from that movie. 100%.
On the weekly, this thing was beaten down recently, so it can get a massive move up.
Sida Wagwanes, brother. Brother, man, what are you doing? Holy shit. They're fucking it up here. We have, Alright. Alright. Fucking music, dude. Turn this shit off.
Palantir $15 call. Oh, sorry, $65 call, 15. Wow.
Good shit, is there? Hell yeah. Get those take profits, baby.
70 and 63s.
For today.
Yeah.
Gold's holding up, not triggering for me yet.
Cray.
You could play CBC however you want on gold. Feel free, but I gotta wait till my trigger of previous day high. Oh.
Tesla's popping over pre-market high.
I see you got your green screen back, Jordy. I did. I got my green screen. It's kind of weird because like I gotta stay pretty still, but it works. It works pretty good. We're making it happen. I'm probably not gonna use it every day, to be honest, because I can't really move. I think I'm just gonna use it for the other thing that I'm doing. But it's cool. It works.
Dude, we should. It's not even. I mean, technically, I got a pivot at 589.2. I don't know. Maybe I slam them.
Oh, they're selling the shit out of tech right now.
Spy new low day.
Oh, they're selling it. Sell it.
59.15 would be the big retest on ES.
There's the 20s. 80s failed. You see 20s now. Maybe buyers want to bid under the bill. Maybe 690, 680s. All right, $200 per contract gain. Meta put.
Yikes.
Here.
Oh, it's getting gross. It's getting a little nasty. Fucking A.
Fucking A, bud.
Fucking A, bud.
For the listeners, guys, remember, DBC's still short. I'm not going to take any longs until it flips long. There's no confirmation there.
If you guys were a part of Paper's class the other night, you could have seen some of this downside coming from the start of the night. Yeah, from the strat, you could have had your levels at 860 set. It was 935 and then 860, and now we got into that previous high of like 90. We're under that. Just take it level by level. We could fill this gap all the way down to 387. I mean, I don't know about today, obviously, but eventually. Keep breaking these levels.
Those of you in the next mastermind, I will be hosting my session today, 4:30 p.m. Eastern. We're going over CVC, how to trade it, how to make money.
Let's go, baby.
How to stay unbiased.
Let's go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be there with you, listening in.
God damn, you guys created something cool. GG, I love to see you guys come together.
We're just fucking handsome.
Well, not that far. 50% handsome, 50% ugly. 50% great content. Wait, who's in which category? I'll let you guys decide.
Bill Breaker coming up. Break that 700, baby. Yeah, dude, I should have hit the puts with KC.
Yeah, I'm not in. I should be.
I am watching this pick come into the 5,900. Big key level at 5,900 SPX.
Might short a pop.
No triggers on gold. No triggers here. No triggers here.
60s for Monday. SPX.
God, this 4-hour chart's disgusting.
Jesus. Never mind.
I'm long at 702. Here's 700. Wondering if it will scalp here. Let me see if I'm a bad guy.
Bill broken. Buyers up at 690, 680. That's what you want to see.
Ah, I can't do that, fucker. Damn it. Whatever.
Tempting for a little scalp. Oh, it's okay. Show me a poppy.
LTR so it's up over 63 now.
I got some Tesla puts at 270 for 310.
Show me a pop. Here we go. Let's see if we get a little. Show me a pop.
Should get a little bit of here. I want to short it when it does.
Show me a pop.
Oh, Google's a great buy right here. That's the daily 21. 20.
I trimmed some off at 15.
72.78. It got close. FSLR new high day.
Nvidia premiums on cons. 1129 are bad. IV's high. Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, they got earnings next week. Wednesday. Snow earnings as well. IV's probably going to be through the roof from now until then. Till like after earnings. Unfortunately.
I grabbed a few of the EMPH 70s for next week at 94.
We also have ENPH for December 20th, the $90 calls for that gap fill. And then we also have ENPH 150 call swings for January 16th, 2026. And I'm also an $80 calls for this week. That's at $0 bid. Oh shit! 100,000 additionally.
If coin really gets under this previous day low, we have potential to go to 260. Morning, Mihai. Good morning, good morning.
So when it's gap fill to the downside, that could get ugly.
SPX.
What didn't plunge on earnings, did it?
Yeah. Want to see the
Wasn't it like an IV? It did after earnings, I guess.
Remember my call here?
Yeah.
Nice, and they get the
On earnings, it was like the first IV crush I've seen on Nvidia in a
There we
minute,
go.
and then after it fucking
Yeah,
definitely
right
came
there.
in.
Right there at the 90. Like I said, buy.
And for junk food stocks, is seeing new lows at the open.
Some here.
There we go.
Let's take a Pepsi, Coca-Cola. The donate Pfizer.
Watch for a 10-minute CVC flip on things here.
Fucking popping off today.
Coin $300 call November 15th.
Oh Lord.
MSTR 350 call November 15th. God help me.
God help me.
Amazon's not getting no love right there. There's a rejection on SPY so far.
By the way, NQ just dropped there. My contract actually went higher than that recent high, which is fucking crazy. I just sold them out there. Fuck that, I'm taking that.
That's for DJT. Delta Fury saying no sure seeing continued heavy activity. New highs for DJT.
Disney ripping out of the gate.
TLTR up 7% here, up $4.
Is it still
Tesla inverted hammer off the previous day low. Needs to clear over 10-minute 200 EMA. Pre-market high 314.5 to have a chance of pushing near 320s.
PLTR? That's new all-time high.
Yep.
Our $65 calls are printing. PLTR.
Yeah. Come on. There we go. Look at that, baby.
All right, I kind of.
Said 589.8. There we go. Come on.
We going up, down, Jordy?
Here we go.
Market can go up, down, or sideways.
5860s.
Clearly, making some nice moves down right now, but I'm just waiting for a trigger on some sort of trade here. Looking for a 10-minute CBC flip bullish if we get it. If not, give us a back test to short, but I'm not jumping into anything right here. I have some triggers set on gold when they go, but I just can't be buying it yet.
NQ long bill breaker.
Gonna move my stop up to 540 on these.
We're in some big spots, man. We're breaking some big levels that, to me, I mean, we got to take it level by level now. If we get under this area, we're coming into these wicks. If we get under the 600, we're coming into 500. If we get under 500, man, I see 384. Under that, 330. Under that, it's every level by level. So It's just a matter of when are the bulls going to step in, right? So for me, I mean, got to trade with the trend here. Unless you get a CBC flip bullish indicating market structure shift. Giving us a trigger, but till then, I got to stay hands off. So that's the real answer. That's the real answer. Trade with the trend until we have a reason to flip. But I also, you know, I wouldn't be trying to jump in heavy shorts down here at the bottom. You know what I mean? Got to wait for some sort of trigger to give you that, which would be like a backtest of 2-minute EMAs. But I would be hesitant to short this off another backtest of 2-minute EMAs when we've rode those all morning. It's like, okay, if we get a bounce now, I anticipate 10-minute CBC to flip on that bounce. But, I mean, I might be wrong. We'll see. We will see. Oh, shit. No way, Thomas. That's crazy. I longed ES, hoping and wishing. I mean, you could potentially, they could have potentially just taken this lower to sweep this low real quick, for sure. But if not, if we're wrong there, I mean, yeah, we could go all the way to 900, no problem. On ES, that's 37 points down, which on ES is a lot. It's a lot more than 30 points on MNQ. So, got to keep that in mind. Damn, my camera's already half dead. It's unfortunate.
This is about to be our 7th red 4-hour candle.
She's only halfway charged now. Can't wait till I get that plug in. That'll be nice. Don't have to worry about that anymore.
2-minute EMA rejection still on MQ. They gotta hold 80s.
Watch ticker C, Citigroup.
Dexcom up 4%.
Reminder, guys, it's OPEX today. But if you heard me say this morning, guys, just because it's OPEX doesn't mean I mean, if you want to take the day off, by all means, do it. But I've just seen a lot of people take OPEX day off, and it's like been the best day of the week. And it's like the only reason you took it off is because you had this preconceived expectation of what the market was going to do, instead of letting the market tell you what it was going to do. And if you just let the market tell you what it was going to do, you would have capitalized on a beautiful day. I can't take days off even if I try. You should work on that. You should be able to take days off. I can go a whole day without trading, no problem. If I don't get triggers I like, especially on a Friday, if I've already done well like a day like this, I mean, it's very easy to not trade for me now. And I think that's something to work towards. Because if I see someone that can go a whole day without entering a position because their plan didn't say so, that shows me that that person has discipline. Right? I'm in all day and night scalping. I get you.
$55 call this week.
I'm about to take it to the night. Order at 120.
Point up by a day.
FSLR.
Shares halted now on the way down.
MSTR new high a day. Bang, bang!
Taking a little trim right here.
Beautiful. Come on.
Here we go. Activity new high.
There we go, Maple.
Oh, yes, I was averaging into that too. I was
Holy shit, dude.
It'll be a good day, Tater.
Mapes is cooking.
Taking more off right here, SPX.
I grabbed the
SPX, baby, we're at $200 per contract.
Made a fucking Honda Civic.
And Q, we're at 40 points here.
Sim, I made a Honda Civic.
I'm all out of 40-point gain in Q.
Fulfilled.
Probably my short here 32.
That was a beautiful long.
Sim literally just made a Honda Civic.
Volunteer, new hire day.
Probably my short at 26.
Just on that bounce. Just on this bounce here, she fucking...
The 21 EMA there.
She probably just made like, I don't know, 8 to 12 grand there. Off that bounce. Stupid.
Hey. You can have matching ones, Sam. That's a nasty 21 EMA rejection there.
Has a rejected 320.
I was short big at that, what is it? I don't even know what the price was, 38.
I was short, yes, same here. I was short 41.75. I covered it all out here.
A firm needs to break over 52.55. Once it does, it will, or sorry, 52.65. Once it does, it should push up to $53.
Top filled.
EMPH is still sitting at
Holding 2-minute 9 EMA here.
70s for next week.
We might get a trigger long.
So we did coin 300s and MSTR 350s. I'm also going to do coin 330s.
See if we can get to like 787. That was that previous high from like a couple weeks ago.
What was halted on the way down? Oh shit, I don't know. Fuck, I didn't hear that.
Nice. Back here on the daily to go long. It's similar to
Oh, gold trying. Gold's trying. We might get something. The trigger is gonna be a breakout of previous day high, and we look for the back test of previous day high to load it.
I have FMCI $45 calls for December 6th, I think.
You want 589.50 on SPY to hold right here.
Kind of hanging there on the 2-minute on MQ. Ran into that resistance.
You shut your mouth.
Might get that 10-minute CBC flip here.
What is that? Shut your mouth when you're talking to me.
Shut your mouth, Grandma.
Shut your mouth, Grandma. Yeah.
Who's that from? I can't remember.
No idea.
I
It's
never
funny.
saw the movie.
Mine was from Wedding Crashers when they're arguing and
I mean that's just a thing.
Shut your
That's
mouth
not
when
for
you're
the
talking to me.
fucking film.
Okay, this is getting confusing.
You know the movie The Other Guys?
Oh, yes. If you don't like it, I'm leaving this.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's a great movie.
I love the beginning when Will Ferrell starts talking when Samuel L. Jackson and The Rock get back to the office, and he was saying like, "Good job, guys," and Samuel L. Jackson, he goes, "Hey, you shut up! If I want you to talk, I'll shove my hand up your ass and work your mouth like a puppet."
Oh my god. Yeah.
That's hilarious.
It's like my favorite fucking line of the entire movie.
It's such an underrated movie too. I feel like it
That's
Right.
slipped like, but you can watch that anytime and it's always great.
He gives him a wooden pistol to have the entire movie.
Yeah, he's like they returned it with some varnish on it.
Oh my goodness! All right, come on, firm. Let's get this. All right, you can get a 125 trim here on these contracts. Looking for this 52.65 break.
MES, MNQ holding 10-minute CBC bearish.
ENPH is up $3 per contract.
Tesla holding yesterday's low. Looking like it's going to be an inside day.
9 EMA rejection on Qs, 21 on SPY. It could go lower now.
No long triggers on Tesla yet, guys. I know we've all been waiting for Jordy to take a swing. I know you guys have been waiting for me to take a swing, but I don't have a trigger yet. So if it's an inside day, we could just open up Monday. We break the lows of today. It's 300. If we hold,
Aim for the bushes. Yeah.
if on Monday we hold and we break over today's high and back test it, then it's a trigger long.
Did you do a desk
Simple.
prop, Casey?
Casey definitely did some desk prompts. Bye bye. Yeah, that's a great film.
It's a little LRB, the Riverbed.
What?
Hey, yo, bring up Mona.
Hey, yo. Get your ass up here.
Let me get Moner.
Yeah.
Show Sim as a listener.
Yeah.
What is this shit?
No, you do.
Evan's a listener, but that's okay. We don't want Evan.
Oh, I can
EMPH now is popping. Okay, here we go.
Let's go.
Papers are listeners. Yeah, what the fuck, paper?
They're all on stage for me.
Yeah, they're on stage. It's just glitching for everybody else.
Casey, watch him trying to curl here. I mean, we're just. I'm still in December and January's. I'm
Buyers looking like a new
but that put spread should look good here if we get over 2050. Yeah, we're about to break lower. It looks like
10-minute CBC has held bearish this whole time, so
Is up or not?
if you're long, just
Scaled on the first.
there, the half.
get that. But
Boom, baby.
Oh, shake, shake, shake the room. Tick, 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 tick.
some big buyers at the 700, and there's no other liquidity lower than us, which I find interesting.
Fuck, I haven't heard that song in years. DJ Jazzy Jeff and the Fresh Prince.
Oh, I should have taken those SPX puts again. There's that new low. Next target on SPY is 588.20.
Real quick, I'm gonna mention the Thanksgiving food drive that I'm hosting once again. This is gonna run through Thanksgiving, but you know we come on Spaces every single day for free, passing out, I would say, tens of thousands of dollars of information every single week. If we've helped you in any sense, please try to give back if you can. There's a link to the food drive that I'm hosting. Every dollar donated provides 2 meals to those in need. So once again, thank you guys for showing up and showing out every single day.
You're the man, Mapes.
That's amazing.
I just retweeted.
Inventory for September, month over month, plus 22% executive retail inventories, plus 22%.
I did retweet that link, guys. Don't feel like you have to, of course, but if you have made some big money and you're feeling generous, we're doing that Thanksgiving food drive, and every dollar is 2 meals, right? So it's dope. I'm personally donating a little bit because, I mean, why not, right? It's fucking awesome. But yeah, again, don't feel like you have to, but it's there. If you're feeling generous and you want to help out a little bit, that's there as well. It's on my timeline on Twitter. But again, don't feel like you have to, especially if especially if you're struggling yourself with trading. Please don't feel like you have to. Just throwing it out there since it's holiday season and shit, man. If I can help few families have a Thanksgiving dinner, I'm gonna fucking do it.
piece of shit dreams you.
These names have been strong all morning. I feel weird taking puts on them if I do. Watch the BAC 46 puts for next week.
Oh yeah, orb set.
4 hour close.
Next level I got is like 665.
Orb is set.
This is dirty. 688. 647.
LOL, so I have my office lights change at orb. That's dope. So when my lights get bright, orb is set. That's fucking sick. I want that. No, you know what I want? I want it, this is another reason why I don't want to keep the fucking green screen. Because I want to get shit in the background that's like, when I'm long, there's like a green bull sign behind me. And it's like green lights light up the room. And when I'm short, it's like red lights light up the room. And it's on the bear side, you know what I mean? There's like 2 signs behind me, bull, bear. Like, dude, that would be fucking cool. I want some shit like that. I do. Give me a second. I'm turning the screen off because I need to move, dude. I need to move my back.
SPX 58.9 foot, 10-minute CBC risk.
Oh, shit.
This is super risky. Maybe we go down. B was talking about 586. That's what I heard.
I know. Let me see what those SPX puts are at.
Here comes 665.
All right, US is almost at that.
Oh, no.
Guys. Wait, is that the right camera? No. Look at how massive this thing is, dude. It's fucking huge. I still, like, don't know how to fold it up, to be honest. I don't know. We're gonna try.
Take a trim on a firm here.
I don't know. I'm kind of getting it. There we go.
Oh, and here it is, $53.
And it somehow folds into that. I don't know.
Yo, Jordan, bring the phone up.
I tried to bring her up. It keeps saying it rejects it.
Really?
Do we have enough pizza?
3 Honestly, I was about to head to the beach anyway. If you need the space, let me know.
She should be.
We're full.
Oh, we are?
Alright.
It's so weird
I'll
because
be
I'm
able to
seeing
see
all
it
these
for a little.
listeners, so I don't even know.
Appreciate if you guys are not following speakers up here, you are missing out. They're all fantastic.
Yeah, I can step down. No worries.
No, I'm literally going to the beach. Bye.
I can't sit down and
Late.
Bye.
Where are you
Bye, Paper Games. Wait,
Yeah,
Paper, you
kick that
stay?
guy, Paper. He's trash. Oh, wow.
Paper. Oh, he left.
CEOU Cellularity popping to the high now $3.70.
He's trying to go to
Showing us a leaving uniform.
Medic
Morning, did it work?
563. That 2-minute EMA pullback, 10-minute CBC short. Perfect.
Good morning, guys.
We're on 586 on SPY. Shout out to
Good morning, Mona.
Sorry, I didn't even want to kick anyone off. Sun literally made me come on. I literally told her it's full time. I'm good.
I told Paper he sucks. Where'd he go?
CCJ Kamiko getting
Yeah,
some
like
volume.
your comment.
Paper's going to brunch. Let me breakfast. Fucking thing.
Open it back up. Get the light up in here. Oh. The light.
Service for Technical and Export Control.
there's some uranium issues moving on. Bad news.
Whoa, Jordan, opening up the studio. Yes, we are. A little bit. Need some light in here.
Guys, can you believe I'm still in my short from the day before?
CCJ, $60 call.
Yeah, not sure.
Yeah. Because I have a certain level that I'm like looking for, so until we hit there, I'm not going long at all.
Looks like we're within a 6.
Where's NFP levels?
It's not gonna. This has been too much selling.
I have 58.83. That's a
Oh
lot.
gosh. If we get under this 585.36, oh, probably don't. You don't want to be long. See us coming right back into November NFP high.
S3 is in like 651 or so.
Gold's trying. It's really not looking bad.
MAU, Centrist Energy also getting a pop on that. Question is.
Alright, firm. Let's do it, baby.
I'm an SPX for what's
I just tell Alexa to do shit, turn it on and off fountains. Hell yeah.
We're right at the range lows here.
Got a spinning top there at the bottom. The 2-minute.
It feels like we're down a lot. SPY's not even down a whole percent.
AMD 140 call.
Okay, from open. Obviously, in pre-market, we're down a lot. From open, I mean, it's gone. Obviously, it's gone down, but you know, it's been.
Who's all the people talking on the background? So for the people that don't know, I mean, we're live on YouTube, but all the live streams started on Twitter Spaces. So we have thousands of people listening to all of us trade. I'm on a panel with 10 other traders with all different styles. And so we have thousands of listeners there. And that's just audio. So I stream my screen here on YouTube.
Let's go.
ES is coming in the front here.
let's go.
Come on, come on.
Crude oil, kind of ripping.
Alright, $200 per contract gain, SPX puts. I'm gonna sell 3 forts here. I still want 586, but I'm just gonna de-risk.
I have 3 positions left. One of my TP's coming up.
TWG, take over Search City spike in activity, new high, TWG.
There we go. Thank you, Sam.
That is at 554.
Let's go.
For $350 per contract on the 570 puts. CBC still short across the board.
I didn't want to take these SPX puts again because I had them at 5 and now they're at like $1,000, but I reloaded some other strikes whenever I heard Stin do it. I was like, oh, let's fucking go. Oh my goodness, now I'm up 150 per contract gain here.
More off here.
I'm in Mondays too. I didn't even do zeros.
Fuck yeah, run it.
Here we go. We're about to hit next target.
That was free money.
Free.
GXYZ. Sure, see, activity, new high, so that's pretty yanking.
About 600. It's not giving me anything to work with.
Yeah, or 621. I've got a spot too. If it comes through this 50 right here. Come on.
DXYZ, that's for the check 100. 266, so that's for Yankee Zulu.
Oh, there's target.
More off here. Upgraded from a fucking Civic to a fucking little Benz.
All right,
Move my
Metal.
stop up.
Oh.
Very nice. We hit 565.
Check out the kit on the plaid. We'll do.
Contract here now, guys. Please manage your trade.
Oh, dude, that looks sexy. That's yours? Oh my god, sexy.
Another level on spot.
The spoiler looks good. Oh, I love those license plates too. So sick. Nah, that's clean, bro. I like that. You should always put that on your title.
I just grabbed it at 39.
Wait, put what light? I'm confused. Oh, it's not yours? Got you. That one's sick as fuck, though. I know. We need to find a kit like kind of like that for the Model 3. No, I've already been looking. I know what stuff I want. I know a few things that I want to get. I bowed down to him as he drove. Yeah, yeah.
PKNG, DraftKings, the December 42 calls trading him. The Q1 November call, PKNG.
Thank you, Frank. Just trimmed him out at 51.
Like, you got it, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Like, all right, you're top G. Like, yeah, you know.
Alright, scale down to runners on Meta, $400.
That's what she said.
Let's go light. Good shit.
I cut EMPH here. Firm chart is at the top of spaces. From the left side, you'll see that strong low. That's previous week low on the Lux Algo indicator. And then the next one, it lined up with the previous week low there, the daily 9 EMA. So 2 levels of confluence there for the calls. Took it back up to the resistance of $3. Got 26, 28% on those calls.
Take your entry in the 330 coins. Now.
Literally every single post. I'm sure you guys have seen those posts of like the women like shaving their head and like saying like no sex for 4 years or whatever. Honestly, agreed. I don't think anybody wants to do that with them. But what I've noticed, just something funny that I've noticed, is the only women making that are fat, blue hair most of the time, or like pink hair. I'm just like, okay, like, this makes sense, though. This makes sense. I mean, were you really gonna get any anyway? Let's be real. Let's be real now. I mean, come on. It's like none of the bad bitches are saying that. None of the baddies are saying that. But I ain't seen none of the baddies shave their head because they ain't gonna do that. I mean,
Yeah, I shorted the top there on Tesla too, trying to get it to break down. Order filled. It has the most relative strength, so I'm not sure how good of a trade that was.
Pale skin, broken out, nappy hair. Yeah, I'm like, dude. Yeah. Seriously. It's like their sign says no sex for 4 years. I was thinking the same thing. I agree. We agree. Ugh.
I told you to take your entry now. First, you just kept buying it. The first trim. Come on. Well, goddamn.
Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus!
Like, were you saying like, are you saying put like live spaces audio in the title? Is that what you're saying? I think that's what you were saying. I definitely could. I don't think anybody knows what spaces is though, to be honest. But yeah, we might try throwing that in there too. Why not?
QQ's around 498.85, so a little bit lower on both.
CJ. The fifth.
Whoa.
CJ, new high.
2 out of 2 on my trades this Friday. Both AMD put scalps. Let's go, baby. I haven't taken anything.
Potential bill breaker here. NQ. Break 600.
It's 584. Nice now, 47.65.
Yeah, I have a Model 3. Any complaints about it? Let me think. Let me actually think about it and think about, like, genuinely, do I have any complaints? Because I'm very biased. I love Tesla. But, like, let's be real. Do I really have any complaints? And the answer is, I mean, the only thing was I bought the car brand new. And when I got it, the windshield wiper fluid wouldn't spray. That was the only thing that was bad. And that's not even bad. Like, they drove out to me, fixed it for free, and gave me FSD for free for fixing it. I was like, so, really? I don't have any complaints, to be honest, now. I'm trying to think of something, like something besides that, and I have nothing. Even in my car, the lowest range, the slowest model, I mean, I was driving to Chico pretty consistently, and that's 8.5 hours away. I would charge twice in a Model 3 that goes 280 miles or something. I'd charge twice. Like, sometimes I'd have to stop for a third time, like, for 10 minutes. So, like, if that's a downside to you, then maybe that, but it never bothered me. Everybody talks about, oh, isn't it annoying charging? No. Guess what I would do? On road trips, guess what? I sit at the Tesla charger, I break out my computer, and I trade. I spend 30 minutes trading, I make money, I get my car charged, I get on the way. Easy. Yeah, so really no complaints, to be honest. Like, I really have to try hard to think about, like, if I've gotten in the car and been like, God, this is annoying. And I really haven't.
Again, for anyone who's interested, we talk about these candlesticks all the time. That daily hanging man on Q's. On NQ, there was a bearish potential reversal for a spinning top.
Let's see how much money I've saved on gas with using electricity over the past few months. Because, too, along with buying my Tesla, I bought it at a certain time where they gave me 3 months of free supercharging. So I didn't pay for charging for 3 months. So, over the past year, it's not really been a year, it's since July. So July, August, September, I didn't pay for any supercharging. Last month, October, throughout the whole month, I drove to Chico as well. Throughout the whole month, I spent $234. I guarantee. I mean, I used to drive a Mini Cooper. I would spend that in, fuck, a week? Just this month in November, I've spent $41 charging. I have saved... So, relative, basically, if I was spending gas, if I was paying for gas, I would have spent $1,078 since July. Instead, I've spent $275, so I have $803 of savings in there, which is beautiful. So, definitely cheaper. It's probably not cheaper if you drive a Prius. That's probably the only time it's going to be cheaper with a gas car. Almost convinced me to get a Tesla. Well, let me know if you do. I have a referral code, and it'll give you $1,000 off of your Tesla, and it'll give me $500. So let me know. That goes for everybody too. If anybody's ordering a Tesla, fucking let me know. I can get you $1,000 off, and then I make some money too. Helps out your boy. Let me know. I'll send my boys the link. I haven't made any referrals on that, but hopefully. I would just use any of the money I made to buy Tesla products, like buy Tesla chargers, buy Tesla shit for my car. I wouldn't actually use it. I would just buy shit with my car from it, honestly. It's not like I would take the $500 as like a check, you know what I mean? Oh, that's a check. It's not much of a check, you know. But I'll take that $500 and buy the home charger and buy, like, the spoiler I want. Yeah, you should start, Thomas, for sure. Well, and just letting friends know, you know what I mean? It doesn't even have to be on social media, just like, you know. If your friends are interested in Teslas and you know they're going to get one, like, fucking be like, dude, you want $1,000 off? Like, here's the thing, you could get the rims that I have, you can get the wheels that I have on my car that are an extra $1,000 and not pay for it. Boom. That's what I would tell my homies. I'd be like, you want the same wheels I have and not have to pay for them? Use my code. It's almost girl math, yeah. I know, it's almost girl math. It's basically girl math, yeah. Take the $500, that's a free $500 to spend on my Tesla. Yeah. 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 It's just a bloodbath today, eh? Shouts out if you guys got 2-minute EMA backtest. I personally haven't had much of a trigger. I mean, I had plenty of back tests of the 2-minute EMAs, but when we come into the market and we're already trading one-way CVC, I'm looking for it to flip to the other way. And, I mean, clearly we haven't yet, so that's fine with me. I'm sitting back, I'm chilling. If we get a trigger on gold, I'll take it. If not, I mean, guys, I might be sitting back just chilling, not taking any trades today, to be honest. So, yeah, I can turn Space's audio up. Sorry. I just had it turned down for a minute. Post a pic of your ride, Jordy. Here, I got you. I have it on here.
Come on. A little bit lower.
Push the baby pusher.
Trim it at 603.
Push it real good.
Trimmed at 603.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Oh my god.
Mark.
Those 5860 puts from 5 to 12. Oh. $700 fucking dollars per contract. Disgusting. Alright,
Last chance on those.
That level. Alright, $50 per contract now on a firm, 105 to 55. Gonna move my stop up even more. I'm gonna be out about 75% of this position.
There's still sellers.
Was it really this far down? Damn, I've had the Tesla for a minute, huh? The whole Tesla gang? The whole Tesla gang? Hold on. I'll get a better picture. I have it right here if I can just fucking find it. Don't you know? There she is.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
There she is. She's cute.
Post the, here.
But it's all stock.
42%.
I don't have any mods on it. I do want to get some though. Some cosmetic mods. I mean, obviously, because that's all you can do to a Tesla. But yeah, I'm in Cali. Oh, there's Teslas, dude. Tesla is the main car in Cali. This is definitely the most. It's definitely the most. I mean, I probably see a Tesla more than I see any other car.
330s for today? Today, I'm in 330s for tape, baby.
80s.
For coin, right? I'm also in long-term coin swings. Oh. But the 330s are for today. Okay. Oh, fuck.
I love Mikey so much. I don't think those 330s are going anywhere today. I could be so wrong, so take what I say with a grain of salt, but I don't think those 330s are going fucking anywhere today, unfortunately. Unless we break previous day high. If we break previous day high, then maybe. But unfortunately, I don't see it. But it doesn't mean he's wrong. It just means I don't see it. What I see is we're trading an inside day. We're coming off a 2-2-1 inside day. There's no trigger for any trade until it's a break above previous high or previous low. Until then, it's an inside day. I see no opportunity here. Personally. Wait, fuck. Wait, what the fuck is going on?
go hit that level. You know you want to.
I am. Meta rejecting the 2-minute EMA here again. Still holding the runners. Target met though. Running down 7 points.
I saw over 4,000 contracts loaded on coin $300 calls. That's what I saw. Just to let you know. I'm going to settle for those 90s. That means we're going to rip.
For the listeners, a firm chart should be at the top of spaces there. Again, shows the entry down there.
Oh my god, bro.
53. Hitting the 200 EMA, which is that purple line, to breaking base above.
What is this bullshit, bro? Oh my gosh. Guys, there's no way CR is still sleeping.
About to hit target.
Bust it down, baby.
SPX puts are fucking printing, Sam.
More off right here, dude.
Yeah.
Crude oil.
Bitcoin to stop acting
That
like
looks good.
Crude oil is interesting. It's consolidating right now. We're stuck right here, right? I mean, we came back down to big demand. We're holding. Need something to have in there.
Yeah, we're actually getting very close to the level I said I will not touch a long until. So.
Yep. We're almost there.
58.83 is what I said.
Fucking great.
Oh, wait, you are.
Alright.
That's true.
SPY hits this target down here and they buy it up. I'm gonna take SPX 5920 calls for Monday. Right now,
Guys, I'm about to rug spaces.
Whoa. I think if Coinbase can just clear 284, for those in CCJ, she's going to go higher. Just letting you know.
I'm with you. I'll add into this SPX, but I took
SWV, I'll play with the Victor Lima, 50 unusual activity in SWV. Spot 590 calls, 0 DTE. If you are new, you are not playing.
you shorted MES at 5940. Let's go. Good job.
Fulfilled.
short as well. Feels like 82. Yep. See you later. Alright, 25 points here. Need love. 586.1 is the November circulating.
CY September sale. Figure 100 CY in November Charlie and artist or circulation. CY. I'll confirm. Circulations on that high select. Kicker IONQ $30 call November 15th.
All right, here we go. And there it is.
You just hit the level that I said.
Yeah.
Wait, Casey. Did 10 line free?
We're up almost $1,000 per contract here on the 58.90 puts.
You always have stuff.
So annoying. These motherfuckers, dude. Dude, I love Mikey so much, but he's got to chill with saying some of the stuff he's saying. He's got to chill. Terminology you use is very important. What do you think about successful women? Well, it depends on your definition of a successful woman. To me, a successful woman is not a woman who is getting her bag and all about that money. You know? That's not a successful woman, in my opinion. Successful woman is a good mother, a good wife. Yeah, not an OnlyFans business bitch. Like, yeah, no. A successful woman is a woman that is just... The most successful women that I've seen are women that are so in love with, like, taking care of the family and raising the kids and just taking care of things at home, man. It's the most successful that I've seen them, man. I don't think a woman getting her bag and getting rich makes her successful, personally. I don't think a woman's success is tied to her money. I think partially a man's success is tied to his money. Not completely, but partially. Here's the thing. Ask yourself this. I mean, of course, there's always exceptions. I'm not saying it doesn't exist, but for the majority, a man will date a fucking McDonald's worker, bro. Like me, literally. I'll date a chick that works at McDonald's. Doesn't matter to me. I do not care how much money you make, where it comes from. As long as it's not from OnlyFans, obviously, like shit like that. But you know what I mean? Like, I don't care. I don't give a fuck about your money because it doesn't matter to me. Right? But the other way around doesn't really work that way. How many women do you know that will genuinely date a McDonald's worker? Now, again, yes, there are exceptions. I'm not saying it doesn't exist. Of course it exists. But across the majority, I mean, go talk to 100 women on the street. 99 of them are going to say that I will not date a McDonald's worker. Exactly. Very little amount of women. Right? So when we do that, it's like, okay. A woman's success is clearly not tied to her money then. It's partially tied to a man's success, though. But it's not the only thing. If you just have money as a man, if you're a 10 in the money area, but you're a fucking 2 in the fitness area, and you're a 2 in the relationship area, and you don't know how to communicate, you're fucked. Just because you got money don't mean shit. Right? I'd rather be an 8 in all realms than a 10 in one realm. Right? I'd rather be an 8 in communication, an 8 in fucking everything, or a 7 or whatever, than a 10 in one area. A 10 in, oh, I just got money, but I don't know how to, I can't talk to a girl. I don't fucking know how. Right? It's like, well, money ain't gonna get you nowhere. I fuck with you now, no, but you're good, bro. I appreciate you, my man. Appreciate you, baby. But yeah, at the end of the day, I mean, and hey, to the women out there that are like, I want to get my bag, go for it. Nothing against you. Nothing against you. But at the same time, you're not that's not the woman I ever desire to be with. Does that make sense? But I don't look down upon it. I mean, if you want to do that, go ahead. I will look down on you if you sell your body. I will look down on you for that. But you know, if you want to be a businesswoman and get your bag, I mean, you do you. That's fine. But it's just not something I'm interested in, that's for sure. Guys, I hope CR is okay, man. He still has not typed anything. It's 10:41 Eastern. He's still not. It's still idle mode. I hope he's alright. Fuck. I've got to pay. I'll be right back.
SPY.
Talent here, the $65 calls are about to be in the money. SPY up 32%. Let's go!
Alright.
Fucking sniper!
Here we go. $100 per contract gain. You get the fill. Here, 640. 650. Boom.
I may or I may have not used the reverse button.
Trailing stop loss for SPX, $500 per contract
Let's
gain.
go.
What?
The remainder of the Q in profit here.
600 figure here.
Come on,
45% on SPY.
let's fucking go. Here we go. Alright. There's the level. There's 587.23. It has to break and hold above that. If it does, it can get a massive stick.
Come on, give me to my EMA 113 at 588.33. Let's go.
92%, 95% on a firm.
Well, let's go, baby.
Palantir over 300% on the 45. And that was a shit entry, too. I could have had another 1,000%.
Put a stop back at 540. I'll buy him again.
Come on, break these lows, baby. There we go.
And it hit. Back and forth. These levels are insane.
Really?
Lazy Days reads and sells 7 dealerships. The camping roads here to CWH for $65.5 million.
Hold on. Let's see if this helps.
Up on GRD.
Fucking PLTR.
Guys, I don't know if I'm taking a trade today, man.
Yeah,
Alright, I'm gonna tip it down here. 40 points.
nice.
QQQ new low. IWM new low day. IWM's at the daily 21 at 228.48. About 20 cents.
Don't you know, pump it up. Fuck, man. Way too late to get the shorts. I ain't gonna chase a short like this. And I'm also not gonna blindly long and try and pick bottom, so I have nothing to do here, ladies and gents, as of now. We're still waiting on the gold trigger, which is just not happening. It's not, I don't think it's gonna happen today. I think today's an inside day, and we get it Monday. So that leaves, like, not much on the table for us right now. Just chilling. Gotta wait till I actually get a trigger of something.
That's actually true.
My man Thomas with the $10 super chat. Let's go, baby. Not money laundering. Let's go. Shout out to you.
This is true. I didn't think we got that spike here. Let me go up. Blow on your screens.
Don't you know? Pump it up. Oh.
Here's the 100.
Any liquidity below?
Not really. They're just trailing it at this point. It popped up above our heads finally at 650-ish.
All right.
Here we go. Come on.
I gotta run out to my car real quick. I'll be
You're
back.
$2 away.
We need NVIDIA.
I bet she gonna get loud when I'm in. You gonna have a child when I'm finished. I appreciate it, Thomas. I will use that on coffee.
If Valorant 2 breaks the high of those $30 calls will go up about 60% instantly.
I'm probably going down when I'm in. Oh, there's CR. Good morning. Just making sure you were alive, bro. Ah, it's okay. Light shit, man. It's not. You don't gotta worry about it too much. Oh, I just moved the fucking camera completely. God. Move this fucking blanket, damn it. God damn it.
You still have your exposed paper?
No, I cut them. I got my betas sitting here debating whether or not to take another DQ, but honestly, we've made too much money today.
No, it's all good though. I don't get me. I appreciate the super chats. It's fucking awesome. But also don't feel like you guys like have to, because I mean, it's not like it's the craziest thing, right? But like, I obviously appreciate it massively.
My God, Palantir.
Definitely helps. But if you can't do it, don't feel like, oh my God, like I'm not supporting Jordan. Yes, you are. You're fine. Like, if you're here, you're supporting me. It's fine. I don't care. I think I maybe make guys like, I'll literally, I'm curious now. I want to see. Like, it's not like I make really money from this. Let's see. I'm curious. Yeah, like.
Alright, now Spy's gonna back test this up.
Yeah, like last 28 days, I've made $290. Which is like, don't get me wrong, that's awesome. But like, it's nothing crazy, right? I ain't worried about it. God, that's low key. I make way less on here than I did on Kick. I made a lot on Kick, low key. Like every month for how many viewers I had. I make fucking nothing on YouTube. Dude, some months on Kick, for like the same amount of viewers or less, I was getting like $800 a month. Crazy. I don't care though. It's not a big deal. I'd rather be on YouTube. What's Kick? It's just another streaming platform. Honestly though, that that money on Kick was just all Aaron pretty much and Light. Because Aaron would gift like 10 subs. That's like anywhere from like $50 to $100.
Come on, Spy, you're going up. Stop acting like a bitch and thinking you're going down. Volunteer, she's ripping.
Yeah. Now I need a trigger. I think I like these dips more for like a swing rather than an investment. I haven't decided if I actually want to invest in healthcare. But no matter what, I'll trade it happily. We could get some triggers coming in soon. I might be taking swings there. I mean, not today. The end of next week, but I'll keep an eye on it for sure. That's the thing for long term, though. It's like definitely good spots for long term, but the company itself, do I want that for long term, you know? I don't know that I do.
Couldn't agree more. Not with the belly candle that just happened like the way it did before. No.
About to load these SPX calls again. Try for round 3.
Palantir, the $68 calls are up 100%. The 65s are up.
When you get more views, you'll make more on YouTube. Ooh, no. YouTube pays less than Kick. Kick gives more of a payout, and on top of it, they actually give you the chance to get paid hourly on top of what you're already doing. So there's definitely more opportunity for money, I think, in Kick, but it's hard to grow on there. Really? Yeah. Dude, the split on here is 70-30. The split on Kick is 90-10. You make more money on Kick all day long. And then on top of it, again, you can get paid hourly to stream. That cuts out anything that YouTube might have had. Now, obviously, if you have 10,000 viewers on YouTube and fucking 10 on Kick, yeah, you're going to make more from YouTube. But, like, if you put the same amount of viewers on both platforms, Kick is going to take it. I think 1 million views on YouTube video is like over 10 to 15 G's. Well, yeah, that might be, but that's based on views. That's not how much they're actually paying you out. Right? But I mean, yeah, you can that's like aside from the lives and stuff, you can also make money from your normal videos, so that's a bonus. But I think overall, said and done, if you put a streamer with 10,000 listeners on YouTube, you put a streamer with 10,000 listeners on Kick, the guy's going to make more on Kick, I think. But that's on the streaming side of things. I don't know. He might make videos that, he might have one video that went viral that got millions of views that makes him a ton of money, but that's one video, one time. It's like it's not the consistent live stream, right? So. But based on your views, yeah, you definitely might be able to make more off of YouTube with that for sure. But in terms of how much, you know, the company actually pays you out, YouTube takes 30, which still is not bad at all. Twitch does 50-50, I think. Something like that. It's ridiculous. And a million views on YouTube, it can be 10 to 15 Gs, but it really depends. It depends on your CPM. It depends on your average viewers. Like the watch time, the duration that it, like, all of it comes into play. So it really is subjective towards each account. Yeah, honestly, Kick was just crazy because all the gifted subs all the time. That's why we were like actually making money there. Because it was just everyday, constant gifted subs.
I'm going to take $15 calls for a firm, 0 DTEs. And I'm highly considering.
It definitely seems like people are more easily willing to subscribe with a subscription versus like a membership with YouTube, which is interesting because they're essentially the same thing. Oh, I had subs on Twitch or Kick. I think I had about the same amount. I think more on Kick only because Aaron kept gifting so many. But yeah, it's weird. It seems like, well, because I get it. It's like, I don't know. Gifted subs are gifted subs. Super chats are different. You know what I mean? Like when you're gifting a sub to somebody, you can't, it's like you either pay $5 for the sub or you don't. And it's like a super chat. It's like, oh, do you want to donate $1 or do you want to donate 10? And it's like you can really choose, right? So that's where revenue goes down right there. Because instead of buying a $5 gifted sub, people can just be like, oh, let me tip $1. Tip $2, right? Which is fine. Again, I don't care. I'm not complaining about it. I literally don't care. I'm just like analyzing it. One day we'll care when we have a ton of viewers, but until then, I don't give a fuck. But it's definitely interesting to think about like the difference in the money made for doing the same thing that I'm doing. You know what I mean? It's weird.
You took the 60s too? I'm at 75%. How'd you get 200? You got him at a penny, didn't you? I was trying to get him at a penny. 66. They wouldn't fill me. I'm at 100% of the 60s.
Yeah.
125%.
Yeah, let's go, Ren. Good shit, baby. Where was... CR Lig. The old kick account. Oh, I missed the clips, man. I missed the clips. God. Makes me so sad, bro. It actually pisses me off so much. Wait, what? That's smoked out. I'm trying to see how much I like made. It's definitely over $2,000. I don't know. Oh. Did you stop trading options? Haven't heard any options traded in a while. I took one the other day, but just not much opportunity for the options for my setups personally. So I've just been focused on futures. We made a ton of money over the past few months. I've just, if I have no setups, I'm not going to press the gas pedal, you know? So rather just focus on futures until I get some setups that I like. Tesla's coming close to setting up. Coinbase is coming close to setting up. I have a lot of things I'm looking at. It's just nothing is triggering, which means I stay hands off. But we're still on the options. But it's also like swing trading options. It makes for boring streams, to be honest, because I'm not doing anything. So it's nice to have the futures because I'm constantly trading, or I'm constantly, I mean, not always. Like today, I haven't taken a trade, but I'm more active with the futures, so it's nice to live stream that. Wait, do we finally get to see Jordy take shorts? Not on Tesla, no. If I wanted Tesla shorts, it was the other day. It was yesterday. I'd rather just let it fall and wait for my long spot, personally, on Tesla. I'm just too scared, because, dude, it's so bullish. I'm like, dude, the second I step in with shorts, they're going to fucking bid it up. I'd rather just wait for my spots for long. But you can. And tomorrow, if we, I mean, not tomorrow, because tomorrow's Saturday, but Monday, if we open up and we break today's lows, it's a short. It's a short down to 300. I doubt I actually short it because it's just like it's hard for me to do. I'd rather just wait for my long spot, but you can. You absolutely can. Bye-bye, NQ. Level by level. Now it's down to this level. 496.50 is your spot. You get under that, it is 386. You get under that, and you're looking at 323.50. So we're going to go over here. We're going to go here. We're going to mark. Oh, I mean like overall. Depends. I think this is just a repeat of what we've seen over and over, CR, to be honest. I think this is a dip right back down into big spots that bulls need to buy up, and we get bought up and back to highs like we've done over and over. Could be the start of a pullback, but I feel like I've caught myself saying that over and over, and it hasn't. Not truly. But it could be. I will tell you one thing. The way that looks, all rounded, that looks nasty. That's gross. I will tell you that. That looks nasty. The way that is just like rolled over and fucking rugged. Looks gross. But the targets for this trade are, I mean, you gotta target here. Essentially, is the 386. Fill this gap. You fill that gap and you need to go lower. It's to NFP levels, basically. And then it's like, it's all longs in this area for me. It's like, you got to be looking for those long opportunities here. Yeah, it was a good day. See, this is why, guys, like, it's like, fuck. It's like we like to come into OPEX days thinking a certain way, but it's like, sometimes we get a beautiful trend like we did today. Oh, my camera just fucking died, bro. Well, we're going to this camera then. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. We're going to plug that battery in. Well, it lasted a decent amount of time. Well, she done lasted a little bit, eh? I should be getting that cord soon so I don't ever have to change the cameras again. Because I like the high quality camera a lot better than this one. I'm kind of bummed we just opened up and, like, I mean, pretty much straight down. We did have back tests of the 2-minute EMAs basically all morning that I definitely could have taken. And in hindsight, I'm wishing I did now. But obviously, it's definitely hard for me to, like, generally going into the open, if CBC's trading one way, I'm looking for it to flip the other way. And, you know, if you've been waiting for that, you're still waiting, right? So, when did CBC flip? 5 o'clock this morning. Ever since it's held. Bro. I just watched a video of a crawfish committing suicide. He's like crawling out of his bowl and into another bowl, but the other bowl is a giant pan of fucking hot oil. And homie just gets fried. Oh, just insta-fried. Poor dude. He literally looks like he's jumping off a diving board and into the hot pot of oil. Smoked him. Smoked him.
They're up 200%.
Alright, Spy.
Just letting you know these Ireland 2 contracts will get you 25 cents. That's 10 more cents.
Good stuff, Brayden. Good shit.
There you go, Spy. Alright, here's that level.
So,
587.23.
what does that mean? Is that okay?
It's a bomb.
Yeah, but what does that mean? I know toilet means flush. Chip means. So we got a 5-2.
IWM just got hit with another 1.9 million volume.
Affirm is going to retest 55.17 and then bounce from there and continue up.
And you just farted. Sorry. Turn.
For tonight?
Supposed to take on the incoming traffic here.
Tyson, I put it at the top right now.
Oh, you took Tyson?
Yep.
Tyson, my God. For the opens.
I honestly, I think Drake's gonna win it. Not that I don't watch
Microsoft.
I think so too, Evan. But not necessarily because it's a real fight.
Let me ask you a question. Do you think he's gonna win it by KO or by decision?
No.
I have no idea.
Mike Tyson's gonna gas himself out.
I don't think it's a real fight at all. It's all show and entertainment. Do you think they're gonna let Jake's bets fucking fail? I don't. I really don't. I think they're gonna let his win. I think everybody's gonna be surprised. Oh my God, Tyson got beat by a YouTuber. Man, yeah.
Tyson moves like a tank.
The thing is, though, that I find funny is even if Paul beats Tyson, everyone will just be like, but Tyson had ulcers and Tyson was old. They'll still make up excuses.
Yeah, from Drake's perspective, he'll still be able to say it, and he'll be probably a good amount of billions richer from this next.
Oh, facts. Oh, yeah.
They must be getting so much money.
I just find it funny. Like, he'll beat Mike Tyson, and people will still be like, oh, he's not a real fighter.
Well, he isn't, if we're being real, but...
I mean, you dedicate your life to fighting? That's not real? I mean, he's kind of fucking...
He's gonna rip it tonight. You watch.
Beating up 58-year-olds, I don't know.
Wait. Do you not think he's a real boxer?
Who? Jake Paul or Mike Tyson?
Jake Paul.
I don't think he is like enough to be in his competition. I lose money sports betting. I will take a bet, but I'm not about to take some sim money bet.
Tesla's ripping new high.
Let's go, Tesla.
Because, I mean, years ago we could have said, oh, he's just a YouTuber. He's not just a YouTuber now. He is a fighter. Like, someone that dedicates as much time to fighting as he does. You're a fucking fighter, bro. Like, people are funny.
Come on, it'll be fun.
No future trades.
I'm still on the beach on that trade. I'll do the $50. We're lucky to do it.
Let's shake on it.
It has to take a while.
Fair. Let's do it.
If he knocks him first round, I won $100.
What the actual fuck?
What kind of
Guys,
comment
a
is
hustler.
And look at Evan.
I don't bet anymore, and then he got gas. Now he's pushing the bet up to $100.
Hey,
Man.
wait, Evan, if he doesn't knock him out in the first round, then you owe me $100, yeah?
Now, how about this? If
No,
Tyson, listen to me. If Tyson knocks out Jake Paul, I'll give you 100. If it ends in a KO, whoever wins the 100. If it's a split decision, it's different.
Fair enough.
It's different.
Fair enough.
All right.
I went you.
Y'all have no spaces. This shit's recorded. We locked this shit down. Evan,
You know what's funny?
Word.
I have a call on Tuesday with a company that does peer-to-peer betting for sports.
IWM 15-minute
What does that
first
mean?
website.
It means we could lock this in, actually, in a contract, and put it in and actually bet it.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah.
That's actually kind of cool. I didn't know you could do that.
Space on that or what, dude?
My friend, it's a startup. My friend went there, so we'll say maybe. And that's why it's like it fits so perfectly.
Interesting.
So I will definitely keep you guys in mind. Obviously, Shark trades a lot. I know Garlic does too. He does his thing. Yeah, he's perfect.
Watch
All right,
Amazon.
people in the comments, what do you guys got? Tyson or Jake Paul? Write it up in the comments. I want to see.
Watch Q's if he gets this pop right here. IWM's already starting to go.
I'm gonna take a flyer here on a few Tesla 330 calls.
Yeah.
I like IWM 233 call November 15th.
Okay, so Sim, what I reread the text. So what I think it is like instead of the house setting the line, individuals can set lines, and then other people on the app can take that.
Oh wow, other people can take the action? That's fine.
Yeah.
But wait, who sets the odds?
I think that's what it is. People on the app set the only odds they want to do, and if someone wants to take those odds, they can.
That's crazy. Holy shit, dude. That takes favorite betting to another level, actually.
I'm very curious on this one. There was one or two things. Yeah, we'll see. But I'll definitely
Bye, Tesla. See you later, old girl.
When you do the space, I'm gonna join it. That sounds different.
Watch Amazon. It's in a 5-minute squeeze, falling wedge. SPX calls.
I'm taking MES long here. 2-minute EMA back test, 10-minute CVC flip bullish.
Watch QQQ. It's already getting its rip. IWM is hitting 230 VWAP here. I'm trying to call out all the volume on all that upside right there. Apple is in ripping. Has not gone. I know B-Trade's heard that Tesla. He's fucking printing already. Let's go.
Up 60%.
There you go. Dude, the amount of shit that just came through right there was ridiculous.
Jason, that is the company, by the way.
Let's go, MSTR. Give me my new fucking high a day. Here comes a firm. He bounced. Oh, wow. Oh, 20 cents off.
Yeah, just the 9 EMA on the 5 minute, just holding the trend. Looking good.
Why did I choose coin? Well, because I saw 4,000 contracts loaded on the $300 calls. That's why.
I think, CR, you don't see that unless we get over this high.
There you go.
59.27, that's on the ES, though. So I don't know what that is on MNQ right now.
Watch the pullback to 229.6 on IWM now after hitting 230. Still looking for a 21 EMA break now on SPY. Lines up at that level.
Because everyone thinks it's type. Probably gonna take Paul. Always inverse Twitter. What did you just say? I said, since everyone thinks it's Tyson, it's probably gonna be Jake Paul. Why would you do something like this? I'm just scared. No, I just feel like always.
Why have you done this?
Oh, you're in a long starter, Braden? Heard that.
I'll also say there is definitely a Fade Evan thing that has been happening for a good little bit, so you know, it might cancel each other out. Split decision? No. What?
Volunteer, new higher day. Our 65, we're about to get in the money.
New all-time, high day would mean new all-time high too.
You went long. Yeah, MES, Mihai. MES. 2-minute EMA backtest with the 10-minute CBC flip. 10-minute CBC flip is into a 9 EMA, though. So there is potential for rejection there. But if we can get over that, I see us hitting this 59.18. 59.18.
Amazon looks like to be next.
Let's go, coin.
Give me that. Front run orders a little bit. 17 like that. But
Say I didn't warn you. Or at least give you a heads up. Amazon starting to fire.
higher high break on ES. Let's see if we can get
Target hitting
1650.
on
Let's go, baby.
Same contracts again.
Any continuation here?
$80 per contract gain here. I'm gonna take a trim. I'll do this shit all day until it breaks out. It gives me a huge experience.
New higher day.
We do have the 5-minute 21 EMA here, so watch out. Watch out. Might get slapped.
They hit 57.
We can get over that, though.
Up 425% on the $60 calls. And our firm swing play, the $75 calls for January 17th.
Got you, Mihai. That's solid. Yeah, that's why I'd be waiting for those 10-minute CVC flips. It's just so hard to pick bottom. It's like fucking difficult. Ah, this 5-minute 21 is gonna fuck us here. Damn it.
Short spot, but
I'm taking a safety trim there on one into this 5-minute 9 EMA.
take a trim, so $80 per contract.
Come on, do it. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Rip, rip, rip. Come on, come on. Push it, push it, push it. Yeah, I took one safety trim into that since we had it there. I didn't want to trim yet, but I had to, as being in the 5-minute 21.
I took a trim on the 550.
Let's get a pop to the 10-minute 9. You're on NQ, right? I mean, we're there. Yes, we're there. We're over it. Break it! Break it!
Send this bitch.
Break it! Come on. How come ES over NQ? NQ didn't 10-minute CBC flip. Go look at NQ. It did now. It didn't here. MES did. More strength.
That's all new higher day.
Can we have a futures gains section separate from options gains? I mean, yeah. If you guys want that. Absolutely.
ABC long above 5 and Qs.
Yeah, I'm long, but we got to break this right here. Yeah. Yeah, 3,600 would be the move here. Come on.
Wow, Tesla, beautiful, beautiful.
AMD
Pre-market high now at 324.
Go, 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 go.
Ticker OKLO, $40 call, December 20th. Affirm, up 500% on the $58 calls, up $60 calls, 525%.
Coinbase might trigger a long. If we hold over yesterday's high, could be a trigger long.
Pulls back down. I wanted to still hold the 9 EMA, go back test the 21, and then rip through it.
Starter with room for some ads if I need to.
IONQ, our $30 calls went from 5 cents to 42 cents. 43 cents.
Slapping off the 5-minute line so far. I think we get over this.
Я бігав твоя матиме твоя пічку майчина.
What he said.
What he said.
IONQ, our $30 call swing for January 17th is up 6,000%. Boom, bitches!
With futures, I think everybody's on an eval, Austin. I mean, besides some of the people on the panel. But, like, even a lot of people on the panel are unfunded for futures. For options, clearly everybody used their own money. All right. Back testing 21 here. Gotta hold. Love you, Mapes. Gotta hold here for me on ES. 2-minute 21 EMA test. That's the 5-minute 21. They're getting slapped there. It's not ideal. If they get under these lows, I'm out. Added one. Stop below these lows, though. Come on, hold this 21. I'm about to get stopped. I took one safety trim at the 5-minute 9, but that's all we're gonna get, it looks like. Unless they fucking hold it. I don't know, my stop's 2 ticks below, so. Yeah, it stopped. Under 2-minute EMAs now. 10-minute CDC trying to flip bearish. Let her go. Let her go. Well, first trade of the day was taken at 8:36. That's fucking rare for me. Lost those 2-minute EMAs. They could potentially hold here. 10-minute CBC bullish. But that's a little hairy now. You want to be careful. Again, Picking that bottom is it's very tough. Gotta wait for those CBC flips. Also, if 10-minute CBC flips back bearish here and you get a back test of 2-minute EMAs, that is a potential short entry. It's just definitely going to be tough to short at the lows here. It's not going to be the easiest thing to do.
Honda Accord.
Yeah, it's a little bit pricier.
I'm happy with that, though. We had an opportunity. We played it. We managed risk accordingly. That's a dub. Even though it's a loss. You know, you guys know how I think about things. Win or loss doesn't matter. Did we play our plan? We played our plan. That's a win. Manage risk. Now, see if they break these lows.
21 EMA on the daily's at 200.
I think I over-risked here in my trade on Palantir, but I'm going to cut for gains. Yeah, there you go. Hey, cutting for gains is... That's a dub, baby. Oh, Braden, you flipped short, huh?
2 minutes left on this candle. SPY sitting right.
Some prop firms offer instant funded. You pay a little extra, but it's worth it. I mean, yeah, you can go that way. Top Step is great, man. I have no reason to go anywhere else. You can get paid out every day if you want. Top Step. Or like every 3 days. Yeah, every 3 days.
I got 12 left.
But yeah, I'm sure there's other companies that offer that instant funding and shit like that. But I also think a lot of those probably have... They're probably not reputable for the most part. But you never know. You can get a payout like every 3 days under the consistency, the 5 consistency rule, Dominic. So it's $200. As long as you're making $200 over the past 5 days, you can withdraw. You can request a payout every 3. As long as you're being consistent with your trades, of course.
My average cost is 2 cents on the 60s.
And at the end of the day, Top Step has like no rules. The only rule is like the consistency rule of like don't make more than 50% of your total profit, which I hear a lot of people complain about that. If you're complaining about that, you're over leveraging. Simple as that. Sorry. I know that's what you don't want to hear, but it's what you need to hear. If you're sitting back and you're going, oh my gosh, my profit goal is 3K and they won't let me make more than 1,500, you're over leveraged. Simple as that.
Remember, my target for IOQ on the contract was 25 cents. We got 43.
Wait, what did Light say? It's okay, Jordan would make that one for me. Not much to ask. Wait. Oh, you're talking about the chat room. I mean, yeah, I'll make it. As long as people use it. I don't care. I don't care.
Oh, there we go.
New low day on SPY.
Runners, 100%.
See what happens
I mean,
down
yeah, I
here.
think SPY can go down to like 30 points now.
My God, you guys.
Triple bottom.
They're gonna pin the price at 58.50 today.
SPY is now in a 5-minute squeeze here at the low. It's interesting.
No, 5,900. Oh, God. Up that 550 on NQ. I see SPY. I see SPY 598 in the money puts for November 15th. 5 million.
All right, Sharky. I'm down to.
Wait, 5 million zero DTE in the money puts for 5 million?
Pretty low on Qs now.
I've been trading since 2020, Austin.
500, right?
Did you guys hear what I just said?
Yes, sir.
The fuck?
God, I still remember the first time I looked at a chart and I looked at PE ratio. I remember this so vividly. I looked at XOM. I bought XOM at like $20. Like hundreds of shares, too. I sold it for like $27. From 25 to like 27. Shitty. Very shitty. And then, yeah, I just remember vividly looking at PE ratio, and like that was like the first thing I looked up about stocks was like, what is PE ratio? And that's where it all started, man. That's where it all started. I remember the day I was in my buddy's room. We're all sitting around smoking pot. We're all like taking hits out the bong, and I'm fucking looking at stocks, and I'm telling everybody in there. I'm telling everybody, I'm like, guys, I'm gonna become a trader. And they're all like, what do you mean? Like, what the fuck are you talking about? Stock market, like this and that. I'm like, I don't know, but I'm gonna fucking learn it. 4 years later, I do not hang with those people anymore. I will tell you that. I still love them. But so long. You know? Are you saying you think the futures gains, the props gains are harder, Light? Like in terms of emotion? I find it the opposite personally. With the emotion side of things. Which is like I'm
Somebody got a leaf blower going?
Yeah, somebody's gardening while they're not trading.
fucking Frank. I feel like since I don't know, it's weird. I feel like since I like when you fund an options account, you have to fund it with like thousands of your own money. It's like I'm more emotionally attached towards that versus like an eval, if that makes sense. But what's funny about that is swing trading is less stressful and easier on my mind. Even though like dude, swing trading options, even with way more money, is so much more easygoing than trading any futures position, any size. I'll trade one contract on futures and be more anxious than I am with fucking $8,000 in a swing play. Isn't that weird? And it's just because it's a different style of trading completely. You think futures are easier, Light? Like in terms of, like, I think it's easier on the emotions, harder to actually trade, personally. I think options are harder on the emotions because it's a lot bigger capital of your own actual money, but it's easier to execute, in my opinion. Does that make sense? It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird how that works with me in my head. Kind of interesting. Futures are easier for me? Really? So weird. It is definitely more stressful than options. No doubt about that. Unless you're trying to swing weeklies, which I mean, you're just doing that to yourself. But if you're in swing contracts for next year, March, you're definitely going to be a lot more relaxed than any futures position you might be taking. At least that's how I am. Futures are just so quick. I'm so anxious all the time. Yeah, Light was saying futures are easier for him. I mean, that's what I see up there. Are you talking about Ricky Gutierrez? Austin? Learn, plan, profit? Yeah, Ricky's a cool dude. I've talked to him personally. He's a good guy. I don't think his course is made for any of us personally. I took it. I did it. I think it's great. I think it's very basic. To be honest, I think it's very I mean, it's obviously focused on shares only too. For the most part, I don't know. I haven't read the updated, so I don't know. Maybe he's changed things. But no, Ricky's a good guy. I've talked to him. I met him out in Huntington Beach one night because a few of my filmer buddies were they're fucking all in the influencer world and everything, and we got to meet up with them. And he's down to earth. He's a cool dude. Love you, Braden. Have a great day, brother.
Came up, retested that 550 pivot. Didn't like it.
Lunch about to start. Oh. Gonna pop. No triggers on gold. So we chill. No worries. No worries. I got a Spaces at Power Hour with Wolfie. We're doing, what are we talking about? We're talking about The Money Show. I believe that is Schwab Network's new stock market show that they're running. And we're going to promote that a little bit for them. So shout out to that. Oh, fuck. Shit.
Fafo, 227.50 call, November 15th. I see over 4.
Well, this kind of works out, but I gotta go run and pick this up. Fuck. Guys, I gotta go out, run and pick a package up. So I'm gonna hop off, but I mean that's kind of works perfect. I took one trade, we got stopped. Probably just gonna sit with that unless I get any other triggers, which I don't even know if I'm gonna take today. It's Friday. We've had a great week. Might just wrap it up. But I gotta go. I gotta go run this out. How far is that drive? 25 minutes. All right. All right, so I got to run real quick, but I'm going to wrap up the stream. It's been a great Fafo Friday. We took one trade. Really haven't done much today. It was mainly throughout the week, but I am still going to be on Spaces. Oh. Space is still here? Yeah. I am still going to be on Spaces, so feel free to be there, guys. But beautiful week. I hope everybody enjoys the weekend. We got Sunday night chart session happening. Oh, no, you're good, CR. No worries. Tomorrow we got, or Sunday, we got the Sunday night chart session, so I'll get the link out for that for everybody. Make sure you're on that. And yeah, let's enjoy the weekend and have a great week next week. I'm ready to go. I think we got, let's just take a look at some of the data that's coming in. Initial jobless claims, existing home sales, S&P, services, manufacturing, PMI, all of that coming out next week. So we got some stuff along with NVIDIA earnings, Snow earnings Wednesday. Next week, we got Walmart Tuesday, Lowe's, Target Wednesday morning, Neo, TJX, Deere, PDD, all these companies reporting next week. So get ready. We're going to have more earnings to talk about. It's going to be fun. And yeah, enjoy the weekend, guys. I love y'all. Have a great night. Oh, I just hit the mic. Oops. And then hopefully by the next stream as well, I don't have to switch to this shitty camera and I can just stay on the good camera because I'll have my cord. But I don't know if I'll have it by then. So we'll see. Either way, though, I think next week we're going to be set and ready to go. So we'll see everybody then. I love y'all. Trade safe the rest of the day. We'll see you Sunday night. Peace.